In today's video, I am going to teach you how to tag buyers on Klaviyo Shopify. To begin, open your Klaviyo dashboard. This is where you will build an automation called a flow that runs after someone places an order. The goal is simple. Every time an order comes in from Shopify, Klaviyo will add a customer property that labels that person as a buyer. This helps you segment customers later and target messages more accurately. Once you are inside Klaviyo, look at the left sidebar and click the Flows tab. Flows are automated sequences that trigger based on customer activity, like placing an order. After you open the Flows area, go to the top right corner and click Create Flow. Klaviyo will give you a few options for templates, but for this setup, you will create your own. Click Create from scratch. Now you will name your flow. In the Flow Name field, type Post-Purchase Tagging. A clear name makes it easier to find later, especially if you build multiple automations for different customer actions. Next, you will choose what starts the flow. Select Metric as the trigger. A metric in Klaviyo is an event that gets recorded, such as an order being placed. After selecting Metric, click the drop-down and choose Placed Order. This makes the flow fire as soon as an order event is received. With the trigger selected, you will set a property on the customer profile. In the Property drop-down, choose Create New Property. In the first box, type Customer Status. This is the name of the field that will be stored on the profile. In the Value box, type Buyer. From this point forward, when the flow runs, the customer profile will be updated with Customer Status set to Buyer. When you have entered those details, click Save at the bottom of the sidebar. Saving locks in the trigger and the property update, so the automation is ready to run. Finally, go to the top right corner and switch the flow status from Draft to Live. Draft means it will not run for real customers, while Live means it will activate on new placed order events. Then click Exit to save your progress and leave the builder. That covers everything you need to know.